As a kid, there was a part of the Flash Museum that always scared me. I guess it's normal for children to be afraid of monsters. But this monster was different. No one knows where he came from, how he got his powers, who he is. All that's known is his alias, and the last sound his victims hear.
So what are we looking for here?
Not looking, listening.
It sounds like the guy who just attacked us.
Sounds like an insect.
Yeah, it does. Like
Like a cicada.
What do you want?
For all of you to die.